New Zealand yen, our hot trade over here. Let's look at what's the opportunity we have, right? So on the weekly chart, you might just focus on triangle over here because that's a standout, right? But for us, we'll look at whatever that is setting out first, right? And the one that is going to set out first would be this retest on this resistance area, 86.69, right? And you want to see something like a double top with RSI Divergence to engage a trade, that would be perfect. However, this is a weekly chart. You might just want to, tone down a bit and head to a lower time frame, see what you have. On the daily chart, we do have a resistance level at 86.61 in terms of stop loss. You do not need to spend that much money to engage a trade for your shorting opportunity, right? With limited risk, lesser risk, you still can have the same profits, right? Really depends on how the market is running and all those fun stuff. For our chart, this is the kind of charts I would say is on the money. The market is hovering in this region. And if you're familiar with the ABCD pattern, in most cases, not always, you shouldn't expect a consolidation move. A consolidation move usually acts as a warning sign. And having that said, as a warning sign, it doesn't mean that you should trade the opposite unless you have tested this for at least 100 times per currency pair, per time frame before you do that, right? That's just my thoughts about it, right? So 1 hour chart, if you're looking for a shorting opportunity, bearish shark pattern, right? You can wait for the retest at 86.22. That would definitely one of my focus as right on to the weekly chart movement, right? So I can do like a putting up and say it's combo for the weekly charts, one of our trade management, right? So if you love to engage trades and to have minimum risk on the lower time frame and still retain the maximum profits of the higher time frame, drop me a DM.